Mount Everest ain't got shit on me.
Go out and buy stock now. Let me tell you, this country will be like a rocket ship that goes straight up. This is going to be numbers that nobody's ever seen before. That's a very important element of all of this. You know, we get that. If you don't, and the Democrats are fighting it only because they want to fight. They have Trump derangement syndrome. You know?
I'm on top of the world. Yeah.
I don't know the future. I didn't come here to tell you how this is going to end. I came here to tell you how it's going to begin.